Hello everyone, this is Jeet and welcome to my YouTube channel Just Engineer Everything. So today we will learn about a small topic in fluid machinery, that is fluid or hydraulic coupling. So what does hydraulic coupling means? Like in other cases we have seen mechanical couplings which transmits power from one shaft to another. It is actually a joint between two shafts which connects or disconnects. It means we can engage or disengage the two shafts and transmit power from one shaft to another. And in this case, this work is done with the help of water or any fluid. Okay, the fluid may be water or any other fluid we can take. So we use the fluid to transmit power from one shaft to the fluid and then to another shaft. Like you can see in the diagram, this is the driver shaft and this is driven shaft. Okay, now what basically happens that it consists of a driver shaft, driven shaft and a casing. This is whole housing in which there are two equipments. One is a impeller or a pump and the another one is turbine. Okay, so what happens when the shaft rotates, the it consists some water inside the pump where the pump resides. It has some water, and with the rotation of the shaft the pump rotates too, and the water with the centrifugal action, like when you rotate a bowl filled with water, the water rotates in a circular motion in the outer area of the bowl. Okay, not the outer area, I mean the boundary, the inner boundary of the bowl. Same thing happens here. When you rotate the shaft, the pump rotates and the pump imparts kinetic energy to the fluid, due to which the fluid moves in a circular motion, and due to that circular motion of the fluid, the kinetic energy of the fluid is imparted to the turbine which is just after the pump. So the turbine rotates with the action of this kinetic energy of the fluid. Okay, so the turbine rotates, and with the rotation of turbine the driven shaft is rotated. So finally the power is transmitted from the driver shaft to the driven shaft with the help of this fluid. This fluid may be water or any other liquid. Okay, so it is used to transmit power from one shaft to another, and it uses hydraulic power. It means it uses the power of water or any other fluid or liquid to transmit power from one shaft to another. One of the major application of this coupling is torque converter, and we will know about the torque converters in our next video. So this is the basic of hydraulic coupling. Thank you.